Hello everybody, my today's recipe is Prawn Malaikari. It's a Bengali dish and is popularly known as Chingri Macher Malaikari. Let's know about the ingredients: bay leaf, cumin seeds, garam masala, dried chilies, chopped onions, cumin powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, green chilies, onion paste, ginger paste, garlic paste, salt, sugar, prawns. I have taken medium sized prawns. If you wish, you can take the larger size also. Coconut milk. It's very easy to prepare at home, otherwise it's available in market also. I have taken the prawns in a bowl. Now I am adding a little salt and a pinch of turmeric powder and marinate them. The prawns could be instantly fried after this. Heat oil in a pan and give the prawns one by one in the oil and fry them. Fry both the sides uniformly for maximum 2 to 3 minutes. Do not fry longer or the prawns will become stiff. Now give 2 bay leaves into the oil, a little amount of garam masala, a pinch of cumin seeds and 2 to 3 dried chilies. All these will enhance the flavor of the malaikari. Now add 1 chopped onion and fry until it turns golden. Now add 1 teaspoon of onion paste, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic paste, 1 inch ginger paste. Mix uniformly. Add half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Small amount of salt. Mix all the ingredients properly. Now add 200 ml coconut milk. And if you want your dish to be a bit sweeter, you may add a small amount of sugar. Now add 3 to 4 green chilies. This is just for flavor. Once the gravy starts boiling, add the fried prawns into it. Simmer the gas, cover the pan and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. You can see a thick gravy is formed. So, your prawn malaikari is ready to serve. Have it with steamed rice. It's delicious.